account to switch to using a password. Whether you're transitioning your login method for added security or personal preference, these steps will help you navigate through your settings effortlessly. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in using your existing account credentials. If you've been using Calendly for a while, this will probably be second nature to you. However, if you're new to navigating the Calendly website, make sure you have your login details handy to make this step a breeze. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll spot your profile icon. This is your gateway to all the personalization settings Calendly offers. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. Consider this your control center, housing all the tools needed to fine-tune your Calendly experience. Within the account settings, look for the option labeled Profile. This section acts as your Calendly ID, and it's where you'll make any necessary adjustments to how you log in. Click on Profile to move forward in customizing your account settings. Next, you'll want to focus on the Login Preferences section. This is where the magic happens when it comes to tweaking how you access your account. Click on Login Preferences to see your current settings and options for change. Once inside your login preferences, you'll notice the option to unlink. This is a crucial step if you're moving from one login method to another, such as switching from using a social media login to an email and password. By clicking Unlink, you'll sever the current login association, and Calendly will automatically prompt you to set a password for future access. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully transitioned your Calendly login preferences. This change not only personalizes your account to better fit your needs, but can also enhance security depending on your chosen login method. It's always good practice to regularly review and update your online account settings, ensuring they align with your security standards and personal preferences. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on updating your Calendly login preferences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips on maximizing your digital tools and improving your productivity.